Alright, welcome back. We have another standard deck today. I call it the Super Anvil deck. I've been seeing the Anvil deck running around and wanted to give it a try for myself and see how it runs. But before we get into it, you find yourself coming back to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Small act for you, but it's a huge deal for me, and it's greatly appreciated. But let's go ahead and get into the deck. We're going to run Duskrose Reliquary, so that way we can exile artifacts or creatures depending on whatever, we need at the time. Candy Trail, so we can scribe, but also gain life and draw a card if we need down the road. That's both artifacts. Mephitic Draught, when it enters the battlefield or is put into the graveyard from the battle, you draw a card, you lose 1 life. Pretty good to sacrifice to the Anvil. Tarian's Journal, sacrifice another artifact or creature, draw a card, activate only as a sorcery, or pay 2. Tap and discard your hand and transform the journal into the Tomb of Aclazotz, where you can add 1 black mana, or you can cast a creature spell from your graveyard this turn. If you do, it enters the battle with a finality counter on it, and it's a vampire in addition to its other types. Rite of Oblivion, it's a pretty good card for Orzhov. I really like this one. Oni Cult, the main feature of the deck. It's kind of mediocre on its own, but some of the other creatures are going to buff it up big time. Omnixilis, he's one of my favorite planeswalkers and characters in Magic, so any chance I get to use him, definitely going to do it. The Devouring Sugar Maw, it's a great picture. It's a chance to create a 1/1 white human creature token and a food token. The food token is much more important, but you could also cast it out as a 6/6 menace trample, and at the beginning of your upkeep, you may sacrifice an artifact, enchantment, or token. If you don't, you tap it. No big deal. The Bloodletter of Aclazotz, another great card that I'm really enjoy playing. Flying, if an opponent would lose life during your turn, they lose twice that much instead, which works pretty good with the Oni Cult. Same with Ojor, Axonil, Deepest Might, 4 mana for a 4/4 trample. If a red source would deal damage, would deal an amount of non-combat damage less than Ojir Axonil's power to an opponent, that source deals damage equal to his power instead. And when it dies, return it to the battlefield tapped and transformed under its owner's control, where it will turn into the Temple of Power, where you can tap to add 1 red or pay 1 red into colorless, tap it and transform it, but you can only activate it if red sources you control dealt 4 or more non-combat damage this turn, and only as a sorcery. We're also going to be running the Forge Boss. Whenever you sacrifice 1 or more other creatures, he'll deal 2 damage to each opponent. It only triggers once though. And finally, Aclazott's Deepest Betrayal, the legendary bad god. Really like this one too. Lifelink, and for when it attacks, each opponent discards a card, and for each opponent who can't, you get to draw a card. And whenever an opponent discards a land card, you can create a 1/1 black creature token with flying. When he dies, he comes back tapped and transformed as Temple of the Dead, and you can transform him back if only if a player has 1 or fewer cards in hand and only as a sorcery. And as far as lands, basic utility like a Ganjo for protection, Takanuma, Sokenzen, the spirit tokens can come in real handy. We'll be running a Cave of Koilos, 2 Restless Fortress, so it's always good to have a little bit of creature lands, Shattered Sanctum, Blackcleave Cliffs, Haunted Ridge, Battlefield Forge, and some Sundown Passes. Very interested to see this deck in action, so I'm going to go ahead and shut the hell up and throw down some cards. Okay, Nepo. Are we going to be up against dinosaurs or just likes the avatar? Oh, shit. A lot of tapped lands. We can convince lands the colors we need. We can give it a shot. But I'm not feeling too, inspired by it. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be Gruul Dinosaurs. Super shocked, by the way, if you didn't notice. No, I'm just kidding. I like the dinosaurs. I see them a lot. Okay, another Forge boss. Not what we're looking for. Followed by a third boss. Okay, cool. Let's see if we can find something good. Another right. What the hell is this? This game, man. That's some crazy nonsense. Oop, hammer school. Oh, we get a tapped land. Ah, Antarian's Journal, perfect. And we have 6 cards in hand, so we'll wait. So I don't have to discard, because we can't play anything anyway. Now, I think we need to take that out. I don't think we have a choice, because we know Atali's dumbass is coming. Another tap land. Pretty cool. I don't know what the hell's up with this. This is crazy, but we have to slow the Itali nonsense down. Alright, let's just go ahead and drop a Forge Boss. I doubt he'll stay alive, but that's okay. Not a huge deal. Shit. I have a choice but to take that thing out too. Actually, we could do it. Well, yeah, that's fine. Let's go ahead and get some damage in. And then we'll play the Ob. Give us a little advantage there.
I'm gonna remake this town in my image. Pleasure doing business with you.
We're not gonna put out the little goblin dude, man, just simply because, or the devil it makes. I'm not really concerned about life at this point. Okay. I guess he sees the Rite of Oblivion, where we would have gotten rid of the trumpet guy. And we would have thrown out a Forge Boss. Or we would have made a little blocker with Ob Nixilis, so the writing was on the wall. But let's go ahead and move to the next game. Alright, Seiron. Siron? Who knows? Alright, since it's okay. It's okay. Now, drawing land is not good. Alright, let's go ahead and start pulling counters, I guess. Oh, I see soldiers. Okay. Go ahead and get a scry going. Don't want another fucking land, for sure. Although that blue card would have probably helped us out big time, but I don't want to see what he's trying to do. Because he might be the Azorus Artifacts deck. Which would be pretty cool to see, but I know how that goes sometimes. Okay. Let's see. No. What do we do here? What do we do? Let's jump this guy out. Smack for 4. So we have him on a clock now. Nope, no more. Okay. What will this do? Okay.
I'm gonna remake this town in my image. By
Let's start forcing the discard or Tim taking damage.
Tribute is owed. Go ahead, plead for mercy.
Let's take that. In case that becomes a little too obnoxious. If he crafts with it, we don't really want to deal with that. Okay, he's drawing 2 cards. It's pretty good for him, not so much for us, but very interested to see what's going to happen here. Oof, 1,000 Moon Smitty. What does that craft with? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, and we drew another land. Okay, buddy. Well, let's get some little blocking going there.
Me now, runt. Defy me, and you'll lose everything.
What to do here? Guess we'll have to get rid of 5/5. But what do we get rid of? The Inhale, Anvil. No choice. We have to survive somehow. Oh shit. Okay. And we drew another fucking land. Of course we did. Of course we did. Of fucking course we did. Why would we not draw a land?
Oh, I have a job for you. Your punishment is my entertainment. not worth the effort.
Wow. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Shake down the locals.
Cool candy trail. God damn it. God damn it. Man, that's gonna be fun.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Oh man, we have got a game here. Holy shit.
My revenge will be cruel and painful.
Oh, the calendar, fuck. Oh, it doesn't keep it. Okay. That is good for us. Yep. Bloodletter melts. Damn, that was a good ass game. Man, that was fun. Alright. Alright. Let's try and get in one more match. Alright, Garrett. Let's see what he's bringing to the table. Let's see if it's going to be a cool deck or just another brain dead one we've seen 1,000 times. My guess is 1,000 times. Well, let's go ahead and do the Sugar Moss, since how it only took like 17 games to draw one of the 3 or 4 I have in the deck. Okay. We'll go with the Elite. And then we'll go with some Candy Trail. See what our next 2 cards were going to be. Of course they were going to be fucking lands. What else would they have been? Okay. Get rid of that ass hat. And let's go ahead and put that there. And we'll just pass the turn. Okay. I guess that's a thing. Wow. How many anvils? All of the anvils. Followed by a candy trail. Woo! Yeah! Woo! That helped out so much. That definitely does not make me want to go drown myself in the bathtub. Okay, followed by another land. How cool is that shit? Makes me so fucking happy. And we get another land. Another land. Oh, I love this game. Not much we can do now. I'll just wait. You gotta think about it. Oh, shit. That is a choice. That is a choice. Well, let's start off. By getting a land, of course we did. Why would we have not gotten a land? But, play this bad boy out. And then we'll play the Mephitic Draught to get another fucking land. Holy fucking shit, you've got to be kidding me with that shit. That is ridiculous. Alright, let's start blazing in. I'm playing Magic for too long tonight, so I'm losing my shit. But maybe these Oni cults will help us. To draw another land, more land, tons more land. Should we eat that? And we will sacrifice one little dude, man. And we'll hold up. We'll just wait. Yes, that is kind of what I assumed was going to happen.
Now you've done it. Hat's coming off.
But all we gotta do is just keep surviving. Just keep blocking, keep surviving.
Remember your training.
Let him attack it in. It's not very smart. Because I'm just gonna keep blazing him down. Okay, so I managed to maintain a quarter of my sanity through this match. Absolutely love the deck. It's just, I guess this would be a cautionary tale for me. Don't play Magic for 2 hours and straight, or you're going to lose your goddamn mind. Which is what I did. But I actually had a lot of fun playing the deck. The deck itself is super fun. The Anvil's with the Ogier, what's this dude's name? Yeah, Ogier Oxenil. It's pretty good. As you're just blazing them down with damage, and obviously next turn, you know, with these three, I could have just killed them off easy again. But yeah, love the deck. Definitely give it a try if you're a fan of the Anvil. I'm not so much particularly, but this deck has turned me around on it. It's super fun. Definitely check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching and enduring my loss of sanity during this last match. I don't know what happened. Probably shouldn't have said some of the things, but it is what it is. Now, you know, edit it out. No, that's fuckboy shit. I'm gonna keep it in. But thank you again for watching, especially made it this far. Truly appreciate the hell out you. You're really helping me out and making all these insane nights of playing Magic for too long worth it. So thank you guys. But other than that, hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.